Turn up a way till I old producer saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the town when you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring and you tough enough. Wanna get you new things when your pockets dull. Run it up, I used to be quiet.
Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Vae back at it with another video. Today I'm coming at you with how to make a wig using a frontal, and also how to install a wig using no glue girl. So as you can see here, I'm just pinning down the frontal, getting that ready for me to be able to sew the back down. So that is what that looks like, and what I'm using are T-pins. You can get this at your local beauty supply store, and that'll just help you tack down the lace. And what I usually do is braid the hair to all the way to one side. I'll do just a big cornrow just to get the hair out the way, or you can use a ponytail holder to get that hair out the way. And then I start from one side of the frontal to the other, and you can also start from the middle and go down to one side, and then start from the middle again and sew down the other side. It's all up to you and your preference, but this is how I do it. And do not mind my nails. I did dye this hair and frontal, and you can see that in the review for the hair when I first initially got it, and I will go ahead and pin that video up above if you want to stop and go watch that, before finishing this, or watch it after. That is up to you. But again, this hair is from Sapphire Hair. I had an 18-inch frontal, 8 and 3 18-inch bundles of Brazilian body wave, and I did a review on this hair before, and this is, I think probably my third time purchasing from this company, but for some reason the quality of the hair was not that great. So again, you can go ahead and check out that last video. So once I've completed the wig, this is what it looks like, and we're going to go ahead and install that right now. Okay girl, we're taking off this bonnet, and I do have my wig cap already on. I'm just going to adjust it real quick prior to placing that wig on my head. So once I've placed the wig on, I just try to adjust the wig how I want it to sit prior to using the spray. And today's choice of hairspray is the Bedhead Mini Hard Head, and this I got from Target. I usually use the Got To Be, but this works just as well. So I did start off section by section, and I started in the middle, and then I worked my way around the head from one side to the other. Now you can use any blow dryer of your choice. I am using the Hot Tools blow dryer, and I'm using it on a high heat setting just to be able to melt that lace into the skin. And because this is a glueless method, it's best to take your time. There's no rush. So definitely try to make sure that it is tacked down really well. If there's certain spots that need extra spray, just go ahead and spray it down and use your blow dryer on a high heat setting to melt that lace into the skin again. So I am using the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Setting mousse, and I'm going ahead and molding those baby hairs down so that it just gives it a nice seamless look. So I am going to part the hair prior to using my hot comb just to smooth it out. Again, this hair this frontal had a lot of small hairs all throughout the frontal, which really, you know, like I said, sucked. And again, you can go ahead and watch the review I placed prior to this video. And again, that'll be linked down in the description box and also up above somewhere here. But I had to really try to mold those hairs down with the hot comb and by spraying it down so that, you know, it looked decent enough to go outside with, because you don't want to be walking around looking like a mess. So yeah, I just took my time and hot combed down the whole top, and also just to really mold those small hairs down. But yes, you can just continue to watch. So once that's all said and done, I did go ahead and wrap the front of the wig just to further melt that lace down. And then I just took my flat iron and began to curl the rest of the hair. Now this took a bit of time, but in the end the hair did look okay. So this is what it's looking like. Those curls are bouncy. The hair was pretty soft, and I was satisfied with how I was able to get it to look the way it's looking right now. Baby, it's the melt for me, okay? So as always, I do appreciate you guys for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.
Warming up away till I overdose, saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the town where you're talking up. Wanna get